The poorest of the poor in South Africa are neglected, their constitutional rights violated. They struggle to get services to which they are entitled, like social assistance and healthcare, and are often unheard or ignored when they try to speak to government about their issues. Black Sash has evolved from a women's anti-apartheid struggle organisation into a modern, data-driven non-profit. It works with community-based organisations, assisting the most vulnerable in our society by measuring and monitoring government services like grant payments, clinics, and local government. Black Sash and community partners use the data from its measuring and monitoring programs to create a dialogue between government services and the communities. This video illustrates one of many dialogues that have taken place across the country.
My name is Pauline Ryan and I'm the Cape Town Regional Manager. Today's process was about engaging the community around a survey that was done by a paralegal advice office called the Gugulethu Paralegal Advice Office. They worked with the SASSA service office, asking people questions around the service that SASSA was delivering. So today we gave them feedback around what came out of the survey, with the hope that they would be able to look at it, see where things could be improved on. We also invited SASSA so that SASSA could listen to what the people had to say.
This is Matthew Shofuti from the Gugulethu Paralegal Advice Office. I am in partner with Black Sash with regard to the monitoring of the SASSA, Department of Health, local government and other government entities with regard to service delivery.
I'm Beverly Gardner, Senior Manager in Customer Services with SASSA Western Cape, and we are building a partnership with Black Sash, and we shared the start of an exciting process where we bring community on board to get a citizens focused service rendered in terms of improving our quality of service and informing the continuous improvement, but not from the boardroom, but from community level.
In this case, we're wanting to encourage dialogue both between the community and the government department that is being monitored. So at the beginning of the program, what Matthew did was he introduced what the project was about, making all voices count. After he introduced the program, he was going to present the findings, and we did it in poster form. We also did it, we printed A4 size so that everybody could read it. So he presented the report to people. They then broke up into groups of 5. The room had about 45 people at the time. So they all went into groups of 5 where they listed not only the issues but also solutions or possible suggestions for improvement. And then that was brought back to the big group where everybody could hear what the small groups had to say. And then after that they came up and formed the joint monitoring committee who would then look at the action plan.
And when we were asking people this question, people were so very happy because there were a lot of backlog at SASSA, because some were having almost 8-9 months not getting their grant, whereas they are qualifying to get those services at SASSA.
My name is Nomandla Dlali. I am from Ubuntu Society Club. It's for elderly people from 60 and above. I'm so thankful to Black Sash for the day. They've made our day because there were things that we didn't know, and they've taught us, and we hope in future they will come again.
Even if it's a small change that is done, the people can actually feel like their voices have been listened to. So it's not a process that we hope will end when the project ends, but that the Gugulethu Paralegal Advice Office can take the process forward.